Seeking Alpha CEO Interviews is a premier destination for discussions with the top leaders in the public markets. Here's a clip of Shapeways CEO Greg Kress talking about the future of 3D printing and digital manufacturing.
If you think about the idea of what traditional manufacturing is today, it's really antiquated. It's very offline. It's very focused on mass manufacturing. There are huge investments upfront with large minimum order quantities. And what Shapeways has done is says, how do we adopt the latest and greatest technology and overlay software onto it so that we can deliver manufacturing after the purchase has actually been made. So typically Shapeways is manufacturing one part at a time. And we're doing that at great economics using the latest and greatest hardware and materials that are out in the space. And we're able to do that at great competitive pricing and great gross margin from a manufacturing perspective. And what you see in the industry today is Shapeways is really well positioned to go serve a lot of these changing dynamics that are happening in the market. Not only on the additive manufacturing side, where you see a lot of innovation taking place of hardware and materials, which are really creating this idea of exponential end part applications across key verticals like industrial, medical, aerospace, automotive applications. But you also see this idea of digitization of the manufacturing process, where you can effectively manufacture one part with very, very high levels of quality for one individual, where you don't need to necessarily stock this huge inventory of parts. And you allow engineers to really get access to highly innovative technologies that meet their needs with no upfront investment, and allows them to adjust those designs very, very fast over time to meet the changing needs of their customers. And allows for a very, very dynamic look at the manufacturing industry in general. And you're going to see a bigger trend happening from this over time.
Catch the full interview of this conversation on seekingalpha.com under CEO Interviews, or by typing the stock ticker for the SPAC Galileo Acquisition, GLEO.U, into our search box. And don't forget, subscribe to CEO Interviews and get the episodes delivered straight to your inbox.